Hey, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about what knowledge you need for trading. If you're interested in getting into trading but feel overwhelmed, don't worry. We've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First, let's understand what trading is. It's all about buying and selling things like stocks, bonds, or currencies to make a profit. But to succeed, you need some basic knowledge. Here are the key things you should know. 1. Market analysis. Fundamental analysis. This means understanding how companies are doing financially and their industry's trends. You look at financial statements, economic indicators, and industry news. Technical analysis. This involves studying charts and patterns to predict future price movements. It helps you identify trends and entry/exit points. 2. Risk management. Position sizing. This is about deciding how much money to put into each trade based on your risk tolerance and potential loss. Stop loss and take profit levels. You set specific levels to automatically exit a trade if things go against you or if you reach your desired profit. 3. Trading psychology. Emotion control. It's crucial to keep your emotions in check and stick to your plan. Fear and greed can lead to bad decisions. Patience and persistence. Trading is a long-term game. Being patient and persistent is important for success. Learn from your mistakes and keep going. 4. Knowledge of trading instruments. Stocks. Understand how stocks work, research companies, and analyze their financials. Options. Know the basics of options contracts, strategies, and the risks involved. Futures and commodities. Get familiar with the futures market, contract specifications, and factors affecting commodity prices. Forex. Understand the foreign exchange market, different currency pairs, and what influences exchange rates. And here's a bonus tip for you: keep learning and adapting. The trading world is always changing. Stay updated with news, educational resources, and be ready to adjust your strategies. Remember, learning never stops. That's it. Now you know the essential knowledge for trading. It might seem overwhelming at first, but with time and practice, you can improve. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Happy trading! Thanks for watching, and see you next time.